Stuck between home workouts and the gym? There's a simple hybrid routine that fits any schedule, and it might be the perfect solution. Start by planning the week with a balance of in-gym and virtual sessions. 2 days at the gym for strength training, and 2 days of online classes like yoga or Pilates at home can create a flexible yet effective schedule. Fitness apps make it easy to book sessions and stream workouts anytime, anywhere. For gym days, focus on compound movements such as squats, rows, and presses. Keep the session under 30 minutes with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, resting for about 60 seconds between each. This keeps the workout efficient and sustainable while building real strength. On virtual days, choose low-impact sessions that improve mobility and support recovery. Yoga and Pilates are great options to stretch, strengthen, and reset, perfect for training from home without sacrificing results. Pressed for time? Try 5-minute exercise snacks throughout the day like desk squats, wall push-ups, or calf raises. These mini workouts help maintain energy and activate the body, even on the busiest days. Consistency is key. Stick to the same time slots each week so the routine becomes automatic. Tracking workouts can also help measure progress and stay motivated over time. To support the physical effort, pair the routine with a high-protein diet. Protein is essential for muscle repair, strength, and staying full after workouts. Meal prep can include simple, protein-rich options like grilled chicken, Greek yogurt bowls, smoothies, and hard-boiled eggs. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to promote recovery and performance. Combining gym and home workouts with smart nutrition is a powerful formula. It's time to embrace the hybrid approach and see what's possible.